Welcome to my channel, BodyTalk. You are aware of the health benefits of exercise, but how beneficial is it? Learn how exercise may enhance your life, from elevating your mood to increasing your sex life. Do you want to feel better, have more energy, and possibly live longer? Simply get some exercise. Need more persuasion to move forward? Take a look at these 7 ways that exercise might make you happier and healthier. 1. Exercise helps people lose weight. Exercise might help you maintain your weight loss or avoid gaining too much. You burn calories when you engage in physical exercise. Any activity is preferable to none at all. Simply increase your level of activity throughout the day to reap the benefits of exercise. For instance, use the stairs rather than the elevator, or put more effort into your housework. The secret is consistency too. Exercise fights illnesses and ailments concerned about heart disease. Do you want to avoid hypertension? Being active increases good cholesterol, or high-density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, and lowers bad triglycerides, regardless of your present weight. Frequent exercise helps control or avoid a number of health issues such as stroke, metabolic syndrome, elevated blood pressure, diabetes type 2, depression, fear. 3. Exercise elevates mood. Are you in need of some emotional support or need to decompress following a long day? A vigorous stroll or workout can be beneficial. Numerous brain chemicals are stimulated by physical activity, which may make you feel happier. Regular exercise can also help you feel better about yourself and how you look, which can increase your self-esteem and confidence. For exercise increases vitality. Are you exhausted from grocery shopping or housework? Can engaging in regular exercise can increase your endurance and muscle strength. Exercise improves the efficiency of your circulatory system and delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissues. 5. Exercise helps you sleep better. Having trouble falling asleep? Frequent exercise can improve your quality of sleep, deepen your sleep, and help you fall asleep more quickly. Just avoid working out right before bed because you might be too energized to fall asleep. 6. Exercise helps you rekindle your sexual passion. Do you feel too worn out or unwell to appreciate intimate physical contact? Engaging in regular physical activity can boost your energy levels and boost your self-esteem. There is more to it than that, though. Women's arousal may be increased by regular exercise. Additionally, frequent exercisers are less likely than non-exercisers to experience erectile dysfunction issues. 7. Working out may be enjoyable and social. Physical activity and exercise can be enjoyable. They allow you to relax, take in the scenery, or just engage in enjoyable activities. Engaging in physical activity can also facilitate enjoyable social interactions with family and friends. So join a soccer team, go trekking, or take a dance lesson. Do something you enjoy doing for exercise. Are you bored? Engage in a new activity, or do something with loved ones. If you're enjoying this video, PLZ subscribe my BodyTalk channel for more body insights. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.